you wearing? You look really nice. Let me get a full body. Yes, toes done, shoes on fleek.
Listen, sunglasses from the hair store, $10.
Okay.
Shirt from Garage.
Yes, let me get into this shirt
like
action. Hold up, y'all gotta see it. It's bringing sexy back, okay? All right, okay.
Pants from H&M, you know.
Nice, all right.
Pricing our outfit, that's what we're doing.
We just telling them where we got it from. You can get a price.
Shoes, you know.
Wait, those are some nice Payless. Okay, I see it. You look fly. Give me a little model walk. Come on, let's see you.
Telfar bag, you know.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me get in on it. That nice little chocolate baby right there. All right.
On the website. You know.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Serve them. Give them what they want. Y'all go follow Tyra.
Comment and subscribe.
Hey. All right, ma'am. What you got on over here?
These thrift store jeans.
Okay. Thrift store jeans.
Okay, free.
Okay, all right, let me see. Let me get some shoe cam. Okay. Yes, these are nice. Zara, she fancy.
You know.
Okay.
Initial top. Champion.
Nice. Okay, we love it. Wow. Okay, nice. Let me get that. Gym hair. Yes, flourish. Okay, give me a walk. Come on, bring it. Yes. Okay, yes. RayvoChic Vlogs. How you feeling? Let's get some OOTDs. What are you wearing?
You know.
Let me get some shoe action. Okay.
Zara, you know, $69.
Okay.
From Old Navy. This shirt from Old Navy. This shirt from Fashion Nova.
Okay.
Oh, and these glasses from Ray-Bans.
Okay. What are you wearing, sir? Let me get some shoe game.
Nose, you know what I'm saying?
$20 cheaper. Okay.
Yeah, it's all good.
Gucci's.
That's cool. You know, cause I could have clowned you too, but no, this, you know, ASOS, you know, sell Polo, Ralph Lauren.
Nice. Okay. What's that on your wrist, sir?
Oh, this is hey, guess.
Oh, hold on.
Guess who it?
Oh, okay. Let me see. Let me see.
Series 7.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Frames came from Tyler the Creator's closet. You know what I'm saying? Fade by Benny Ray. Make sure you know y'all know the fade. Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Yeah.
You guys look dapper.
Hello, vlog.
Hello. I was waiting for y'all to take your boomerang because that would have been like a cute little, you know, B-roll for me. He just yelled, slow down.
Yes, no, that was it.
Hello guys, so we just left from Mama's shelter and it was so fun. Did you guys have fun?
No,
Yeah!
That's why you're saying that.
You gotta get Yeah, so the food was, let me take this off. So the food was good and I guess
hummus off top, 10 out of 10, highly
okay, yeah,
recommend.
the hummus was definitely good. So if you guys are ever in LA and you go to Mama's Shelter, make sure that you order the hummus with the pita bread. It's definitely good. I had the Impossible Burger and fries and it was delicious. So yeah, now I don't know what we're about to do, but hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Stay tuned. We got no tickets.